Hello my dear student. In today's mathematics class, we will do a new chapter. The name of the chapter is chapter number 11, Lines and Shapes. First, some points should be remembered. Number 1, what is point or define points? A point gives a position. Whenever we give a dot in a white paper, it means it show a position. And if we name them like A, B, C, like this way. Okay. Next, lines. Lines means when the tip of our pencil moves across a paper, it moves along a line like this way. This is known as line. Line can be straight line or curved line. The straight line can be classified as horizontal line, vertical line and slanting line. This line is known as horizontal line. This line is known as vertical line and this line is known as slanting line. Now next, what are curved lines? Curved lines are looking like this way. Okay, these all are curved line. Next point, what is line segment? The part of straight line between two points is called a line segment. It means whenever you give two dots and draw a line with the help of ruler, you can get line segment. Clear? Now children, our second part is lines and shape. How will we get a shape from a line? First of all, draw a curved line between two points A and B. Then continue the line by moving the pencil from B to A along a different path and you will get a closed shape like this way. From A point to B point and in a different path from B to A. And we will get a closed shape. Clear children? Now our third part is flat shapes. Flat shapes are rectangle, square, triangle, circle and oval. Now children, there is a formula. Number of sides equals to number of corners. Now look at this rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Corners means this portion is known as corner and this portion is known as side. Now, look very carefully. A rectangle has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, rectangle has one more characteristic. Its opposite sides are equal. Opposite side means this side and this side is same. And this side is same or equal in length. Next, come to square. Square has same 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners and 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And square has 4 equal sides. It means all the length of the square are same. Now come to triangle. In triangle has 3 corners. First of all, 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. It means equals to 3 sides also. 1, 2, 3. Clear? Now come to circle and oval. look at these two figures. These two figures have no corners. It means they have no side. Circle and oval have no side and no corners. Clear? Now children, our next part is solid shapes. First, cube. A dais is a cube. A cube has 6 flat faces. This portion is known as faces. Okay. Now count 6 flat faces. First face, second face, third face, fourth face, fifth face and sixth face. Clear? Now come to next point. The faces meet at edge. It means this portion is known as edge. A cube has 12 equal edges. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 equal edges. Next point, the edge meet at corners. This portion is known as corner, where the edge are meet. This portion is known as corner. Now a cube has 8 corners. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners. Hope it is clear to you all. Now our next solid shape is cuboid. A matchbox is a cuboid. A cuboid has 6 flat faces. Now children, count these 6 flat faces. Number 1, first face, second face, third face, fourth face, fifth face and sixth face. It means 6 flat faces. A cuboid has, same as cube, 12 edges are there, but the difference between the cube and cuboid is, in cube 12 edges are equal, but in case of cuboid 12 edges are not equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Clear children? That 12 edges are not equal. And same as cube, cuboid also 8 corners. Now count these corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope this cuboid concept is clear to you all. Now our third solid shape is cylinder. A rolling pin is a cylinder. A cylinder has 1 curved face and 2 flat face where these 2 handles are attached. Okay. Each flat face, it means this face and this face, these 2 flat face meet the curved face along the edges. A cylinder has 2 edges, this portion and this portion, these 2 edges, and cylinder has no corners. Hope this cylinder concept is clear to you all. Now our fourth solid shape is cone. This is a party hat or ice cream cone is a conical in shape, or we can say this shape is cone shape. A cone has a curved shape that narrow to a corner. It also has a flat face which meets this curved face along an edge. It means a cone has one curved face, one flat face, one edge and one corner. Clear? Hope this cone concept is clear to you all. Our last solid shape is sphere. A ball is a sphere. A sphere has just a curved face, so they roll very easily. There are no edges, no corners, no flat face to stop them from rolling. Hope this sphere concept is clear to you all.